Good morning. I don't know if I had showed any of you my spring table. This is my table in my dining room that I change with the seasons. Let me stand back and show you the whole thing. I have just a mishmash of things here. So I have many warmers on this table. I have my little marshmallow mug with his Easter hat on. I love collecting these. I buy a bunch of these mugs, and somebody hand knits these hats. I have summer ones. I have a cute s'mores one. I have a Valentine's one. So I change these guys out by the season. I've been collecting these Bread Barn houses. I absolutely love these. This is a new one that says Barn Dance that I found. And my Peter Rabbit bookends. I've had these since the kids were little. I have my little Easter bottle brush tree. And I have this horse warmer and this one has schmutz on it, but a VW bus warmer. And I kept some of my Christmas houses out to have like a spring village instead of a Christmas village. My little teepee. This broke in transit from Walmart. It lights up inside. It's so cool at night, but I have to fix it. I have to take it apart and put something in it so it'll still light up at night. It's really cool. The little house lights up at night. This plant has been in our family for like 70 years. I forget what this is called, but my mom gave me a cutting of it. And we have another little teepee. We have this is my ice skating pond, which I've turned into, well, they're kind of walking on water here. The people are still skating on the pond, but it's supposed to be a pond now, not a frozen lake. I got some flowers. Joanne's is closing, as many of you know, so I put some flowers. My daughter's texting me. I put some flowers around and a little bridge. And then these bunny houses I found at Home Goods. These are so cute. And they do light up. I kind of forgot about that, but they light up at night. And I found this. Joanne's is like 50% off. I got this piece of fake grass and put this little bunny I found on Mercari with his. This is snow from my Christmas table, but that's supposed to be like, well, you know, exhaust fumes. My little watermelon tea set. This I got at a local craft fair. I have a garden one too. This is a little Valentine's one. Where is it? It's right here. I love these so much. They're so unbelievably made with little drawers that open and apothecary stuff. And I have this wonderful, I got this at Home Goods, this house that also is supposed to light up at night, but something's wrong with it. So I want to fix that too. And I collect these Red Barns now. So I have this warmer. This is from, this is a Pioneer Woman one. And I have my Christmas house warmer back there, not a warmer, house. And then this is I think it's a Sensationals warmer. And I have just other things in the window. I'm turning on my Pioneer Woman warmer. I don't usually put wax in it because you have to lift this whole thing off the whole house and there's like a wax dish on the bottom. But I wanted to share my spring table with you and all the glory. Let's see, are there any bunnies outside that can add to my video? I can't see any, but there were just some. The garden is looking so pretty. I have to plant some flowers. But that's it. I hope you all have a beautiful, wonderful Tuesday. I have to hurry up and go throw some makeup on and get on a meeting in 20 minutes. Bye, everyone.